Good morning, everyone. This is Mindset Successful Coach Laudiaann, and I'm actually making this video in my car. Okay, I'm using my smartphone, and I'm talking in my recorder, and I'm actually recording myself. Okay, so you guys are going to get some tips from me today because I want to help those that don't know how to use their YouTube channel and how to upload videos. So guys, when I go in my house, I'm actually in my car, just got off work, and I'm gonna leave, and I'm gonna have to walk my dog first, settle down a little bit with my husband, and help him with breakfast and all. But I'm also gonna upload all the videos because I want to participate in this morning's group. I'm so dedicated, guys. Even if I work a 12-hour shift, I dedicate myself because I am serious about building my business. And I know everybody's hungry in this group to build their business because I see everybody in the messenger. I see everybody posting, "Good morning, team." And I just love you guys. I just love every member in the Done For You Services team who is participating in Wesley Virgin's Monetization program. Thank you, Ariella. Thank you, Jeremy. You are, I really thank you a lot because you are kind of like holding this group together, and you're kind of like the leader. You're the one that's actually organizing us, our watch time hours, and when to go on. And that's a huge commitment right there. And that's a lot of work. But you know what? We love you. We love you because and thank you for that video that you made. You made a video of us how to upload everybody's video and watch the watch time hours. And I never knew. I was so mixed up at first because I was like, logging on everybody's YouTube channel, and I didn't know where to start. I didn't know from the beginning. So in the beginning, I was having a really hard time because I was getting unorganized. I wasn't really organized how to do this until you made that video, how you just said it straight and simple. Upload everybody's video, then press play on everybody's video. Let it just go automatic. And when you showed that video to me, I was like, I was much more happier, much more relaxed because I wasn't panicking anymore. And I didn't see that video till probably like 2 weeks later after joining the group. But I am so happy with this group. We are tigers, guys. We growl. We're hungry. And we are warriors, all right? Because everybody is so into it together. Everybody's so excited. And you know what? One thing I love about this program is everybody's content. Everybody that uploads a video, I find it so interesting. I am even learning from you guys, and it just encourages me down in my heart. Some of you guys are so gifted. Some of you guys are so talented, and I know a lot of you guys read because I can tell by the way you guys talk and speak. And I'm like, you know what? I need to read more like them too. And guys, I love to read, but I really, really do need to take the time to read. It's just that I've been working so much and working too many hours, the 12-hour shifts at the hospital. But I got good news, though, for you guys. I got good news to tell you. I'm actually switching hospitals. I got an opening for a part-time position, even holding full-time benefits with my health. And it's 2 days a week instead of a full-time position. And it's just only on Wednesdays only. So I'll be working every Wednesday and maybe one Friday or one Saturday. But it's only 4 days per pay period with a full-time benefits, medical benefits, which I thought was, wow, that's unheard of. And I've been asking and praying and thanking the good universe, my God, to help me work less hours so I can put more effort into my business. So he did open a door for me. And I also, guys, I actually have 2 jobs. I have 2 jobs. I work in this hospital and I work at a nursing home. And I actually work with subacute patients there. And I make my own hours there. So I can either work 1 hour one day, or 2 days, or 4 days. I try to work like 4 days, and I make my own hours. They just let me work my own hours, and it's usually an 8-hour shift. But I go in, I do 12 hours. If they're short, the previous shift, I always tell them, yay, I'll come in. So I do come in. If I work 12 hours, it's easier. I get my hours, more hours in less time, which is really good. But I'm really actually getting ready to actually slow down my job. And when I start generating more income and being more stable, I'm going to actually work my crafts too, because I do make money with my crafts. I'm weaning myself, and then eventually I'm just going to totally quit, because I want to retire early. I'm already 58 years old. I'm going to be 59 years old. I look very young, everybody, but it's my time to retire. It's my time to relax and have the financial freedom and be that millionaire that I so much desire, and do more meditating and learning more about meditation. And that's what I'm doing, guys. I'm in the growth of learning how to meditate. Okay, because I have never learned how to meditate until Wesley's teaching and Ariela's teaching, and I'm just learning from everybody. This is really exciting because I know I'm not alone. And guys, I am really excited for today's group. I don't know why, but I'm so excited. All right, guys, I'm gonna make this short. I'm gonna go because I gotta get into my house. I have to take my dog out for a walk, and I will see you guys in the group. And I'm gonna be making some instructional videos for some of the team members because they don't know how to upload videos on YouTube. I'm gonna show you guys the tips and tricks of what I use, the things I use, and how I do my recording, so that everybody can see how I do it and just copy me. There's other members out there too. They can help too.